ideas, but mouthwash was the most popular one. So we're going to be doing this one today. So you guys already know how this challenge works. We have to try to not choose the wrong one. And the wrong one is the one filled with mouthwash, and the right one is the filled with glue. So, rock, paper, scissors to see who chooses first. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yay!
Okay, who goes first?
Okay, guys, so now it's my turn to pick, and I'm super excited because I don't know which one is which. So I'm gonna choose blue because blue is my lucky color, and it's my favorite.
Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. I don't know what's inside here.
I can never open mouthwash tops. They're so hard.
Okay, let's see. Mouthwash! No!
Mouthwash! I really thought this was blue.
Okay, okay.
Ooh, let's
You ready?
That was spicy.
Okay, guys, so now it's round 2. Let's pick.
Okay, I pick this one.
I picked this one.
Why are your mouthwash bottles so hard to open?
No, not hard to open.
Look, every time I do
Ready?
it,
Let's
just
see.
keep turning.
Glue! Finally!
I can't open this. Mouthwash tops are so hard to open. Oh, are you supposed to pinch it?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Glue! Okay, guys, let's pick. I'm gonna pick this teal one because the teal was super nice.
And I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, now I know how to open it. So squeeze the top.
Okay, I hope this is glue. Yay, glue!
Childproof lock, and I can't open it. This is why I can't open mouthwashes. Okay, I got it open.
I think it's mouthwash.
Yup. It's mouthwash. Whoa, look at all the bubbles.
I got clear mouthwash, so it kind of looks like clear glue. With
That one
the...
tastes good.
Yeah, okay. Well, now it's time for the next one. Okay, choose this. Okay,
I'm gonna choose the mystery white.
and I'm gonna choose this one. Oh man, I heard something splash. It's mouthwash.
Guys, these are so hard.
These aren't hard. This one's stuck. That's all. It's like this one's glued shut. Oh no, if it's glued shut, it's glue.
Glue?
Okay, you ready? Set, go. Mouthwash!
It's pink glue!
Oh, I got clear mouthwash again.
Okay.
I wonder what mouthwash does
I'm
to
gonna
your
choose
slime.
another one.
It's glue. I can see it.
Glue!
Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. I hope this is glue. Okay, ready, set, go. Whoa! Wow, this is so pretty. Look at this, guys. It looks like mermaid slime. Look right here. It's so pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this teal or green.
And I'm going to choose this one.
Childproof. Maybe I can open this one because the other one is super hard.
Why is this one so warm?
Because Dad put them next to the sun. I saw him.
Oh my.
It's mouthwash.
No, it's mouthwash. I wonder what all this mouthwash is going to do to my slime. Will it make slime?
I'm
Okay.
going to choose purple one because I want purple glue.
And I'm going to choose this one.
Whoa, this is really warm. Need help? Nope.
Here, this is it here. Now, you have to push.
Oh, there's double locks. Okay. Yay, purple glue!
Yay, glue, glue.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I got that one, and I got this one.
No baby locks on this one.
Okay.
Mouthwash! Pretty good. Okay, guys, we're down to the last two.
Okay, so I hope this is glue. the top and all the glue folded, sunk to the bottom.
Look, I'm sucking out my slime.
Wow, wait, did the mouthwash activate it?
No.
Okay guys, let's mix them up. But first comment down below what color you think they're gonna turn out.
Brown.
Green. And also, we made sentence slime. This smells so minty and so good. Okay, let's mix it up.
Brown, I knew it. Mine's brown.
Mine's green.
You guys, comment down below if you want to get your pumpkins at the pumpkin patch yet.
If you do that.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch today and have a corn bath, so I'm super excited.
Oh, they have a bucket or like, not a bucket, like a pool of corn and you can go in there.
If you want to see us take a corn bath, follow us on Instagram. And they also have like little tiny race cars for babies and slides and then
Haunted house.
Yeah. And our Instagram's at Life with Brothers.
Look, come on, it's like mermaid. You see all the glitter?
It's like super slimy.
Okay, well, let's activate them and hopefully it works and makes jiggly slime.
It's like super slimy. Okay. Oh my god, it's working!
Really?
Look at all that.
Wow, it is.
Can you give me some Tide for my hands?
That's empty. Here it is. It's right here.
It's a big one! Yay! You guys, DIY.
Look at this, guys. And there's like a bunch of glitter. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, so we guys have all activated, and look, it took both bottles of Tide. Guys, I thought my slime was gonna turn out green, and it did, but Izzy thought her slime was gonna turn out brown.
Mine turned out green though.
They both turned out green. So now it's time for the best part, and these are jiggly slimes.
Yeah.
These are jiggly slime from all the mouthwash.
Ooh, my slime.
Mouthwash work as
the
like,
table.
look how jiggly they are.
Look how jiggly these are. They absorbed all the mouthwash and now they're super jiggly.
Okay, well, bubble contest, Izzy?
Sure.
Okay. They smell like toothpaste too.
Yeah. I think mine can bounce.
Mine isn't making bubbles, but mine's probably super bouncy.
Oh, goal!
Ooh, yours is harder. Let's mix them together and see how they turn out.
Oh, it's so satisfying to do with jiggly slime. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought that was a bubble. That's a bubble.
Guys, let's see if this will make bubbles.
Oh, super jiggly though.
I almost made one. Oh, I kind of made one.
Let me try.
Okay, you ready? This is going to make a huge one.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, the slime is dripping to the floor.
It is?
Mini waterfall. This is so cool.
Let's try to pick it all up. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? 1. Wait. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? 1,
2,
3. 1, 2, 3. Mary!
Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Ooh, there's Tide on the floor, you guys. I'm super slippery. I can moonwalk.
Whoa.
Wait.